everyone. Are you all again ready for a story session? Yes? So what do? We first sit on our magic carpet. Come on, all of you, sit on your magic carpet like this. Yes? And let's fly to the storyline. Come on, start. One, two, three, start. Zoom. Come on, fly, 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 and yay! So we are here again in the storyline for a new story. And today I'm going to tell you a story which is called The Miller, His Son, and the Donkey. So there was a miller. Do you know who is a miller? See, he is a miller. A miller is a person who has a mill, and a mill is a place where the grains are grinded. Yeah? You see, he has so many sack full of grains. We eat chapati at home. Mama makes chapati. Yes? And that chapati is made out of flour. And where does this flour come from? It comes from the mill. It is grinded. The wheat grains are grinded and we get the flour. So this miller used to live in this village. Now see, this is his house, and here he is sitting outside his house. And there in his house, he used to live along with his son and a donkey. He had a donkey. Now, why did he have a donkey? Why did he keep the donkey? Well, the donkey was with him to carry loads. What does the donkey does? He carries, come on all of you, put a bag on your back and try to ride. Oh my god, it's so heavy. The bag is so heavy. Yes, that's why he used to keep this donkey, so that whenever he used to wanted to carry the sack of grains or the flour, he used his donkey. Now what happened? One day he was sitting there and he was talking to his son. He said, "Son, our donkey has become old. Why don't we go to the market and sell him? Now he has become old. Now he is of not many use for us." So they decided, the father and the son, they decided to go to the market and sell away the donkey and get some money out of that. So what did they do? They tied the donkey with a rope. The man carried a long stick in his hand so that he could walk properly, and both of them started going towards the market. See here? Now, on the way, they met a man. The man said, "Why are you walking when you have a donkey? Why don't you allow your son to ride the donkey?" He said, "Oh yes, that's correct. Let's make use of the donkey." So the man made his son sit on the donkey, and they again started moving towards the market. Now, after some time, they again met the two people. They were going through the path, and what did they hear? That those two men were talking. Oh my god, see, the young boy is sitting on the donkey and the old man is walking. No respect for old people. What happened when we meet somebody old? We allow the old people to sit first and we stand for them. The boy thought, "Oh yes, they are saying the correct thing." He said, "Daddy, please sit on the donkey and I will walk. As I am younger, I will walk." Okay, come on, all of you, walk with me. Tuck, 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 tuck. Yes? Very good. Okay. After some time, when they were walking on the road towards the market, they saw three ladies talking to each other, and they were saying, "Oh, what a wasted. See, the man is riding and the boy is walking. What's the waste of this donkey? They are not using it properly." Then the man thought, "Oh yes, they are saying the correct thing." He said, "Come on, son, both of us will ride on the donkey." They said, "Okay, that's again a good idea." What did he do? He called his son upon the donkey, and both of them sat on the poor donkey. that donkey was already so old, and the donkey was like, I don't have any energy. Very, very tired he was not able to carry them, and he was moving with all sweat all around. And slowly, slowly they were moving. On the way, again they found some people talking. They said, oh my god, what a cruel people they are. It's this old donkey and two people are riding on them. Very bad. How bad these people are. They have no mercy for the donkey. They said, why don't you carry the donkey? And the man thought, oh yes, what a great idea. What did he do? You know, what did he do? He they both of them got down the donkey, and they tied the donkey's legs, and on the stick what he was holding, he tied upside down. See, the donkey is upside down, and what did they do? They started carrying them on their shoulders. Oh my god. What foolish people they are. See, have you ever seen anyone carrying a donkey on their shoulder? Oh my god. And what happened? They reached the market carrying the donkey like that, and so many people were around. They saw them and they all started laughing. Come on, all of you, laugh with me. Oh my god, what foolish people they are. They are carrying the donkey on their shoulders. Now everyone started laughing loudly, ha 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 ha. And suddenly the donkey was scared, and he was losing his patience. And what did he do? He just threw his leg like that, and he kicked the man. He threw the stick, everything, and the donkey ran away. How did he run? And he ran away. And what happened? The man and the son, they lost their donkey. Now the donkey was not with them. They didn't have anything to sell. Then the man realized, and he said, son, we paid too much importance on what other people were saying. We did not use our brain. And see what happened? Our donkey is gone, and we don't have anything with us to sell and to get money. So children, what do we learn from this story? We should not pay much attention what other people are saying. We should use our brain and then work accordingly. So did you all enjoy the story? Yes?